This medication is used to treat symptoms that occur during menopause, such as hot flashes, sweating, dryness, itching, and burning around the vagina. These symptoms happen when a woman's body stops producing the usual amount of estrogen. Eemt H.S is a combination of two hormones, estrogen and methyltestosterone. If you only need treatment for vaginal menopause symptoms, products applied inside the vagina should be considered before taking medications by mouth, absorbed through the skin, or injected. Before you start taking Eemt H.S, make sure to read the patient information leaflet from your pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth as directed by your doctor, usually once a day for 21 days followed by no medication for 7 days. You can take it with or without food, but if it upsets your stomach, try taking it with food or right after a meal. Remember to take it at the same time each day, and let your doctor know if your condition doesn't improve or gets worse. Some common side effects of Eemt H.S may include dizziness, headache, stomach upset, weight changes, and breast tenderness. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor believes the benefits outweigh the risks. However, if you experience any serious side effects such as signs of liver disease, mental/mood changes, unusual tiredness, or allergic reactions, it's important to seek medical help right away. Additionally, women may experience signs of masculinization from methyltestosterone, and it's important to stop taking the medication and notify your doctor if these occur. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. When women take estrogen alone or with another hormone called progestin to replace hormones after menopause, there can be rare but serious side effects. These can include an increased risk of cancer of the uterus, which can be reduced by taking a progestin with the estrogen. If you experience any unusual vaginal bleeding, it's important to tell your doctor right away. For postmenopausal women, taking estrogen with or without a progestin can increase the risk of breast or ovarian cancer, stroke, dementia, and blood clots. When estrogen is used with a progestin, it can also increase the risk of heart disease. The length of time and amount of estrogen used can affect these risks. It's important to use this medication for the shortest time and lowest effective dose possible to reduce the chance of serious side effects. Your doctor can help you with the details and check regularly to see if you still need to take this medication. Products containing estrogen should not be used to prevent heart disease or dementia. If you use this medication for a long time, you should have regular physical exams, as directed by your doctor. Before taking Eemt H.S, talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. Also, tell your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have certain cancers, blood clotting disorders, liver problems, high blood pressure, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. If you have diabetes, monitor your blood sugar levels regularly and tell your doctor about any symptoms. This medication may make you dizzy, so be cautious when driving or using machinery. It can also cause vision problems and skin discoloration, so limit your time in the sun and avoid tanning booths. Do not smoke while taking Eemt H.S, as it can increase your risk for certain health issues. If you will be having surgery or will be confined to a chair or bed for a long time, notify your doctor beforehand. This medication must not be used during pregnancy and is not recommended for breastfeeding mothers. Drug interactions can change how your medications work and increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Be sure to get your doctor's approval before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. There are some products that may interact with Eemt H.S, such as anastrozole, blood thinner, warfarin, corticosteroids, such as prednisone, exemestane, fezolinetant, aspamifene, raloxifene, tamoxifen, and tranexamic acid. Additionally, other medications can affect the removal of estrogens from your body, which may impact how Eemt H.S works. Examples include azole antifungals, such as itraconazole, macrolide antibiotics, such as erythromycin, rifamycins, such as rifabutin, St. John's wort, and drugs used to treat seizures, such as carbamazepine, phenytoin, among others. It's also important to note that this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false results. Be sure to inform the lab personnel and all your doctors that you are using Eemt H.S. If someone has taken too much Eemt H.S and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call for emergency help right away. In the US, you can call the Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include severe nausea and vomiting, as well as unusual vaginal bleeding. Remember, never share Eemt H.S with others. It's important to have regular physical exams and medical tests while taking this medication. Your doctor will give you instructions on how to examine your breasts and what to do if you notice any lumps. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments. Lifestyle changes like reducing stress, eating a healthy diet, and staying active can help prevent heart disease and strokes. And for managing hot flashes, try to keep cool by using a fan, drinking cool beverages, and dressing lightly. Also, limiting caffeine and alcohol, exercising regularly, and using vaginal lubricants can help lessen discomfort. Always talk to your doctor about any lifestyle changes that might benefit you. If you forget to take a dose, just take it when you remember. But if it's almost time for your next dose, then just wait and take the next dose as scheduled. Don't take extra to make up for the missed dose. It's important to store Eemt H.S at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Make sure to keep it out of the bathroom and away from children and pets. When it's expired or no longer needed, be sure to properly discard it, but don't flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless you're instructed to do so. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information on how to dispose of it properly. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.